All right, as y'all can see today, we gonna be taking this truck and putting it on a new Muska board. Can't find my tools, so gotta use what we gotta use. I got a skate tool, but I have no idea where it is. Know how that is. I'll probably find it when I don't need it, but I'm gonna just order another one. So, importance of knowing where your shit is. One down, one more to go. And it's the brand that I use. I don't know if y'all can see it. Krux. That's what the truck look like up close. My wheels, you can't really see it no more. It's all worn down. But red bones burns. And there is our finished product.